Ever felt that annoying jolt and thought, why me? That's a hiccup, friend. It's your diaphragm having a sudden spasm while your vocal cords snap shut. Usually, it's triggered by eating too fast, chugging a fizzy drink, or just getting a bit too excited. Annoying, right? But here's the mind bender. Scientists think hiccups are actually a bizarre evolutionary leftover, a reflex from when we were just tiny blobs in the womb. It's believed this ancient mechanism helped baby mammals coordinate breathing and sucking, even before they took their first breath. So, next time you hiccup, maybe you're just reliving your prenatal training. Wild, huh? What's your weirdest hiccup cure? Tell us in the comments.